Are you a sensitive skin person? You have that redness all over your skin after using any products? क्या आपने वो एप्रिकॉट स्क्रब यूज़ किया है या फिर शुगर स्क्रब? उसको यूज़ करने के बाद डू यू फील लाइक योर स्किन इज सुपर डुपर रेड? If yes, then this video is for you, so please do watch till the end because I'm gonna review the product exfoliating serum for the sensitive skin person. Okay, so hi there, this is Kritika. I'm a dentist by profession and a mother of a baby, and yes, welcome to my channel Artistic Space. So today's my topic is exfoliators. Do you know there are two types of exfoliators? One is physical and one is chemical. Okay, so nowadays chemical exfoliators are known in popular demand in Indian market. So what are the physical exfoliators? That apricot scrubs, that sugar scrubs you are using, that granulated stuff, that is the physical exfoliator because you are physically exfoliating your skin. So why does this exfoliating your skin is important? ये आपके फेशियल का एक रेगुलर स्टेप है ना. एक क्लिनजिंग के बाद में आप एक्सफोलिएटिंग करते ही हैं, आप चाहे फेशियल करें या आप घर पे करें. So why does this exfoliating your skin is so important in your skin regime? So do you know that exfoliating your skin will make your skin smooth and glowy? If you want to remove dirt, grease or oil sitting on the surface of the skin, or you want to treat the dark spots, pigmentation and inflammation, this exfoliating your skin can give you a drastic changes in your skin. So as I told you before, there are two types of exfoliators. One is physical and other is chemical exfoliators. Okay, so the physicals are that gritty one or that granulated one, which is that apricot scrub or sugar scrub. But for some sensitive skin people, after using the scrub, their skin becomes reddened. Okay, so for them there is another option, that is the chemical exfoliator, which I am about to talk. Okay, so nowadays chemical exfoliators are grown popular in the Indian market, and if you don't know what are the chemical exfoliators, then please keep watching this video. You will get the idea what I am talking about. Okay, so you have to know one thing about these chemical exfoliators, that they are good for your skin, but if you use wrongly, then you can ruin your skin also. So you must know before how to use it. Okay, so this video is for those who are the beginners in this serum, exfoliating serum, and who wants to try this exfoliating serum but don't know which one to use and how to use. Okay, so this one is for the beginner. If you want to try this, you should try from this serum first. Okay, I am about to talk about the Deconstruct serum. Okay, Deconstruct is also an Indian brand. It also gained popularity in short term period. It is also giving a strong competition to the minimalist in India. But before that, few things you should know before using this exfoliating serum that I am going to tell you. No doubt, exfoliation is the great way, one smart way to get rid of your dirt and dull skin and the uneven tone. If you notice dullness in your skin, then you can use it regularly, or you can introduce this serum or this exfoliating serums in your daily regime. So how does this serum work? So these serums are made up of combination of AHA and BHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid and the beta hydroxy acid, that works on your skin to get rid of all the dirt from your skin or all the buildup from your skin. In fact, this is the best option for the dry skin person or who have fine lines or wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. So this exfoliating serums removes the dead cell or dead skin from your skin, and also some of the acid used in this serum are directly attack the bacteria causing acne. and the impurities, those are clogging your pores, and dissolve these impurities, thereby fighting the acne too. So what should you look for in your exfoliating serum? First is salicylic acid, which is a beta hydroxy acid. It is perfect for acne. It soothes your skin and it also unclogs your pores. Next is malic acid. This is a fruit acid which is obtained from apple. It removes the dead cells. Next is glycolic acid. It is a AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid. It is used to treat the hyperpigmentation, skin tone and dull complexions. Next is lactic acid. It plumps your skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Next is citric acid. It is derived from citrus fruit, as you all know. It is a AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid. It exfoliates the inflamed. Regarding deconstruct, they claim to be silicone free, alcohol free, paraben free, SLS free, vegan and cruelty free too, and one more, fragrance free. Talking about this product particular, the pH is 3.6 to 4.2, and all the ingredients are written like minimalist on their carton. This particular product is a combination of 5 different acids, that is glycolic, lactic, malic, tartaric and BHA, that is the salicylic acid. This combination penetrates into your different skin layers and exfoliate your skin and give even toned and smooth texture to your skin. It is actually said to be a serum, but it is actually a wash off serum. You have to put it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and then you have to wash it. So let's get started with the ingredients. So first ingredient is aqua. As you all know, aqua is a water, so it is a water based serum. Okay. So the next ingredient is on the list is propylene glycol. So it is a humectant by nature and it attracts the moisture from the environment, and it helps to reduce the irritation of your skin by instantly moisturizing your skin. Next is lactic acid. It is similar to glycolic acid but it is bigger in size. Helps in superficial exfoliation and acts as an excellent moisturizer. Next is glycolic acid. It is the smallest and simplest alpha hydroxy acid, that is AHA, which penetrates into dermis and exfoliate deeper layer. Next is Camellia sinensis leaf, that is green tea. You must know about this green tea extract. It is excellent antioxidant and astringent. It has a soothing and moisturizing property, thereby reducing redness and inflammation of the skin. Next is tartaric acid. It is a naturally occurring organic acid found mainly in plants. It is an exfoliant as well as an antioxidant also. It makes like a skin own ceramides. Next is malic acid. It is a gentle exfoliator which gives your skin a smooth texture and promotes cell regeneration also. Next is salicylic acid. It it is a BHA, beta hydroxy acid, and it exfoliates your deeper layers and removes dirt, oil and dead cells from the pores. Next is xanthan gum and guar gum. They are the thickening agents. Next is triethanolamine. It balances the pH and stabilizes the product. Next is phenoxyethanol and ethyl hexyl glycerin. They are antimicrobial and preservative to keep your serum fresh and free from microbial growth. Next product is Lactococcus ferment lysate. This particular ingredient, this is a probiotic which helps to maintain the normal skin microbial flora and thus help to maintain the skin barrier system. Next is EDTA. It is a chelating agent which binds with unwanted trace elements and other ingredient causing unwanted changes in the serum, and also give your product a texture. So this is all about the ingredients of this product. So how to use it? um, you have to cleanse your face first, and one tip here, you should cleanse with a mild cleanser. Okay, so after that you use this serum, put it all over your face, don't massage it, just leave it there for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I mostly put it for 10 minutes. The good thing about this serum is that it doesn't give you that stingy sensation, or it doesn't irritate your skin. You initially, if you are a beginner, initially you should start with once a week, and then you, if you are adjusted with it, go on increasing like twice a week, and then thrice a week if you are well tolerated with this serum. This serum is actually for beginner only. It does not create so much heavy effects on your skin, so don't expect much from this serum, but you will, yes, you will get the effect of smoothie texture, clear skin. Okay. You for introducing any new product in your skincare, you should do a patch test. Okay, then only you should start with this product. Okay. Who should use this? 21 and above, whose age is 21 and above, can use this serum. Okay. It should not be used in pregnancy. It is discretionary for pregnancy. As per packaging is concerned, it comes in a white box, and full ingredient lists are given in that box, inside which a glass bottle is there, matte finished glass bottle is there with a dropper inside. As per texture is concerned, it is slightly thicker. As you can see, you have to spread it out evenly like this on your skin, and let it stay there for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash out. After using this serum, I feel like my skin is renewed, or I feel that freshness in my skin. But after few hours, I get that oily skin, oiliness, that feeling of oil on my skin. It will not give such a drastic change. And for those who are sensitive skin like me, you should go with this serum first, and then increase the amount of percentage in your serum. There are many brands available in the market with much more percentage in this AHA and BHA, like a minimalist and ordinary. Okay, it makes your skin smooth. I mean, you can feel it, the smoothness in your skin, you can feel it. You don't get any irritation. Means I don't had any irritation or any stinginess. And even I didn't face any redness. I didn't had any breakout after using this serum, and it is fragrance free. Really, it doesn't have any smell. So my review about this is, it is a mild and gentle exfoliating serum. So those who are beginner, or those who want to try this for first time, you can go with this serum, guys. It is very good for the beginners. One more thing I need to tell you, that after using this serum, I mean after washing your face, you should apply ample amount of moisturizer to your skin. Okay, and you can use any moisturizer of your choice, and don't forget to apply sunscreen before stepping out from your home. That step is always necessary, and that sunscreen lotion must be in your skincare regime. Okay. And I generally don't use any serum after that, or same that day. I prefer to use serum after one day, any kind of serum like retinols and other kind of serum. Okay, so this is all about the Deconstruct 18% AHA and 2% BHA. Hope you all understand what are exfoliating serum and why exfoliating your skin is necessary. If you have any queries and questions, you can drop me in my comment box down there. Okay, I will try to help you out as much as I can, as much as I know about this exfoliating serums. Okay, so, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel, please. This will give me a booster to make more and more video. Thank you so much. um, hey, I forget to tell you one more thing about this, about one thing, that is scar. I got questions about scars. This serum can help you um, a little bit to clean out that scar, or to lessen that scar on your skin, because it exfoliates your dead skin cells. So it removes your superficial layers of the red skins and give you a fresh and renewed skin. So this will help you a little bit about clearing that scar part, but don't expect much from this serum for the scar issues, but yes, it can help up to little extent. Hey guys, I wanted to ask you something more. If you have any issues in your mind, if you want to know anything about any products, or if you want to know anything about any skin problem, please do message me in my comment box. So I will make the videos on that topic also of your interest choice. Thank you.